Yo, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for joining. Today we're gonna be discussing about the Dank memer boxes, daily boxes, Dank boxes, and many more. So if you type please shop daily right now, as you can see we don't have more stuff than these, right? So if we do item box, talking about the beta version by the way, you can see here that we're going to have fishing bait, ammo, bottle of whiskey, PP metal, and chop coupon. Yeah, so let's see. Wait, let's talk about meme box as well. As you can see, we're going to have fishing bait and ammo. We don't have them right now. As you can wait, let me type it. Bishop meme. We don't have these right now, right? So that's why people are starting to buy meme boxes and many others. Let me show you another example box. Let's talk about God box. Yeah, if you press possible items, we can see that we're going to have old box, developer box, PP trophy, PP crown. We're gonna have a crown in the God box. So if you type please shop God box, we don't have them right now. We have bolt cutters, beard, toe, etc. If we type item box, which one do we need to choose? Which one? Yeah, normie box. We can see that we're going to have ammo and meme box inside of a box. We're going to have a fishing bait as well. We don't have them right now. So I suggest you to go buy all of the boxes right now and flip them when the update is here or when the rewrite is here. Which one are we going to choose? We can see Dank box as well. They will add trophy to the Dank box. As you can see here, it says PP trophy, developer box as well. So if you type please shop Dank, we don't have them right now. So I suggest you to go buy all of the boxes right now and flip them later. You can check all the boxes yourself by the way. So yeah, that's all you need to know before the rewrite. I suggest you again to buy boxes as many as you can. Get stacked, wait for the rewrite, and then sell them for double or triple the amount. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe with the bell on and see you in the next one. Peace.